structure of the atom? Who discovered the electron? Option A, Rutherford. Option B, Chadwick. Option C, Thomson. Option D, Goldstein. Option C, Thomson. Which isotope is used in the nuclear power plants to generate electricity? Option A, uranium-235. Option B, iodine-131. Option C, cobalt-60. Option D, uranium-238. Correct answer is uranium-235. What was the source of alpha particles in Rutherford's scattering experiment? Option A, hydrogen nucleus. Option B, argon nucleus. Option C, helium nucleus. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, helium nucleus. What property of an element determines its chemical behavior? Option A, size of an element. Option B, valency of an element. Option C, molar mass of the element. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, valency of an element.
Which of the following does not match the characteristics of an isotope? Option A, isotopes of some elements are radioactive. Option B, isotopes are the atoms of different elements. Option C, isotopes differ in number of neutrons. Option D, isotopes have similar chemical properties. Correct answer is option B, isotopes are the atoms of different elements. Which scientist gave the concept of fixed energy levels around the nucleus? Option A, Ernest Rutherford. Option B, Niels Bohr. Option C, J.J. Thomson. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, Niels Bohr. What prevents an atom from being collapsed? Option A, the nuclear forces. Option B, movement of electrons in discrete energy levels. Option C, the electron-electron repulsions. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is option B, movement of electrons in discrete energy levels. Which radioactive element is used in the treatment of cancer? Option A, iodine-131. Option B, uranium-234. Option C, plutonium-239. Option D, cobalt-60. Correct answer is option D, cobalt-60. Which of the following correctly represents the electronic distribution in the Mg atom? Option A, 3,8,1. Option B, 2,2,2. Option C, 1,8,3. Option D, 8,2,2. Correct answer is option B, 282. Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment resulted in the discovery of option A, electron. Option B, proton. Option C, nucleus in the atom. Option D, atomic mass. Correct answer is option C, nucleus in the atom. The ion of an element has 3 positive charges. Mass number of the atom is 27 and the number of neutrons is 14. What is the number of electrons in the ion? Option A 13, option B 10, option C 14, option D 16. Correct answer is option B 10. An atom with 3 protons and 4 neutrons will have a valency of option A 3, option B 7, option C 1, option D 4. Correct answer is option C 1. How many electrons are present in M shell of an element with atomic number 20? Option A 5, option B 8, option C 12, option D 18. Correct answer is option B 8. An alpha particle is also known as subatomic particle. Option B an ionized helium atom. A neutral particle. Option D a doubly charged helium ion. Correct answer. Correct answer is option D a doubly charged helium ion. Which of the following isotope is used in the treatment of blood cancer? Option A P32, option B I-131, option C CO60, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A P32. Isobars do not differ in the number of option A protons, option B electrons, option C neutrons, option D nucleons. Correct answer is option D nucleons. Which of the two will be chemically more reactive? Sulfur with atomic number 16 or chlorine with atomic number 17? Option A chlorine, option B sulfur, option C both are equally reactive, option D can't say. Correct answer is option A chlorine. Which of the following elements do not exhibit the electrovalency? Option A sodium, option B calcium, option C carbon, option D chlorine. Correct answer is option C carbon. Atoms are composed of dash and dash. Option A neutron, option B proton, electron, option C positron, proton, option D neutron, proton. Correct answer is option B proton, electron. First orbit or cell is represented by the letter option A K, option B P, option C T, option D M. Correct answer is option A K.